Today I am going to show you all how to make watermelon juice. So cut the watermelon into pieces and take it to the jar. So here are my pieces and I put it into the jar. Add a pinch of salt to the juice so that will give good taste. Add elachi powder. So I grind this elachi powder with the elachi seeds and a little bit of sugar. Now start grinding. Add a little bit of mint leaves and grind. This is the juice which I got. So now I am going to strain it. After straining, left side is my juice and I got a little bit of pulp. I am going to grind that one also. So this is the final juice which I have got. I didn't add any water, and now I am putting into glass. So this is complete watermelon juice without adding any water. And see how good it is.